Thank you for purchasing a BLACK+DECKER string trimmer. As you use your trimmer, you will eventually need to replace the spool. To find the right replacement spool, visit BLACK+DECKER.com. Once you have your new spool, remove the battery from the trimmer. Depress the tabs, then remove the spool cap from the spool housing in the trimmer head. Be sure to keep the spring on the spool cap. Grab the empty spool with one hand and the spool housing with your other hand, and then pull the spool out. Remove any dirt and grass that is in the spool housing. Remove the tape from the new spool. Unfasten the end of the cutting line and guide the line into the eyelet. Hold the string tightly to make sure it doesn't unravel during this step. Take the new spool and push it onto the boss on the housing. Rotate the spool slightly until it is seated. The line should protrude approximately 5 inches from the housing. Align the tabs on the spool cap with the slots in the housing and push the cap back onto the housing until it snaps securely into place.